Hi guys, today I'm gonna make slime. It is glitter avalanche slime, DIY avalanche slime kit, super slime kit, Elmer's. We're gonna unbox. It's my first time because we bought this from school supplies. Damn, how do I open this? Oh, I see. Let me just cut this. Okay, it's opening that side. So stop smiling.
Me?
I mean, it's not you.
I'm not smiling.
It's the monster. I have to open it. Over there. Are you gonna remove this? Is this weird? Oh,
Wait, I'm gonna remove it.
okay, she gotta remove it for me.
Do you want it to be destroyed or not?
No, not destroyed. Oh no, you destroyed. That's okay. Konti lang. A little bit destroyed. Okay, this is so pretty. Now we remove the badge.
The badge.
No, I look like a weird person.
It has. Wait, I'm happy.
No, no, no.
That needs to be broken. What it is. Why is it locked?
I don't know. Maybe kids open it sometimes. So guys, now I'm making this slime. It has glitter. Creamy scissors. It has an activator, a huge activator.
Yes, an activator.
Activator. I call it activator. Okay, magical liquid. Wow! Magical liquid! So guys, now it's good. Now this is right here. Okay, what you're gonna make it? What are you gonna make?
Ikalat mo.
Yeah, I'm gonna fix it later, Lala. What are you gonna make, Ate Fish?
I don't know. I'm just gonna help you. I think this is better.
Me too. I'm gonna go first. Okay, does it have something? No, it's not blocked. I thought it was gonna be blocked. Are we gonna add glue first? Oh yeah, glue first before activator. Okay, I'm good. We're gonna use a little bit because I don't want to waste it.
Can I make one also?
Yeah, of course. But you're
Do
not.
I need to use this one?
Yeah, you're not
Wait,
gonna.
I'm gonna get.
I don't know how much activator are we gonna put. I'm gonna put a little bit. Auntie Keisha, it's turning into slime!
Can I use this one? Can I use this one?
No, that's too special.
Oh.
Oh, I accidentally add too much glitter. This is bad. I am not a
I'll
pro.
use this one.
Auntie Keisha, it's for me na.
Can I use this?
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's good. It's plastic. Ow! Hoy, okay. That's okay na. You
That's
can.
just onte.
No, I don't want you to use too much of my activator.
I'm not using much activator.
Damn.
Oh, hati na tayo dyan. That's too much.
Yeah, here. Okay, this is. I add glitter to it, and it. Oh my god! It turned into slime. Yay! I have slime for the first time, and it's. Oh, Dicky!
Then what happened?
Girl, I don't know. What is so sticky? Sticky, I mean, not stinky. It smells completely good. I forgot to add the sand, but it's pretty, Apiki. Oh my god, it's so sticky. What kind of slime is that? It's stuck in my fingers. Alright, we got our pretty slime. Oh my god, I made
Can I
slime.
use another, set of activator? Because it's sticky. Just a little.
Asa ate guys?
Wow.
It's other bro. So
Bro, I need activator. It's sticky.
activator.
It's activator.
Activator. You need another batch? Here.
Put it there.
She's mixing. Ah! Oh no! Girl! I don't have any charms. Huh? Another batch of Elmer's glue?
It's too
Look
much for
at
me
the
to handle,
guy.
boy.
Oh my god. Hindi mo sinabi sa akin.
No, when Ate Keisha's done, you're gonna replace her. Replace?
Why are you gonna replace?
Ba't clear glue? Ba't clear glue ginagamit nyo? Ako ibang Max, ako yung Max Ing. Magagawin
You
ko.
can only speak English in this
Yeah.
vlog.
Yes.
Basta ako mo lang bumalik ako tingin dito.
Yeah. Don't use the bowl. The small pretty bowl. It's my, it's my...
Let's continue to choose.
This one.
Okay, now I'm done with my slime. It's so slay.
Girl, it's sticky.
Ate Kai, do you know you can only use a small amount of glue? Wait, you're not being seen in the vlog. I'm gonna kill you. Let's move it.
Ayan.
Move a little.
So I'm gonna use
Move
the white.
here.
Move a little.
I'm gonna use the white glue.
Don't say my name. I'm gonna kill you. Okay, can I see your slime? Oh, she's clear, and I added some glitter.
Sabi mo pag-stop na.
Stop.
Ganito lang kaliit yung kay Keisha, sure ka?
Yeah.
Ganito lang kaliit sa'yo. Hindi talaga, tingnan mo ang rami.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
No.
Add more. That's good. I'ma
I
add.
mean, we have more glue at home.
Yeah, but I don't have that much activator.
You can use this shoe.
But this is many activator.
Yeah,
Many na yun.
activator. 1 cup of magic liquid. Nor 1 cup of bro, it's activator. Why do they call it magic liquid?
Huh?
They
Did
call
I
see?
call it-
See? Magic liquid.
I don't think it's activating.
Cause you put a little bit of activator. No, you
Can
put
you
it
see
in the
can you see the small bubbles here?
Yeah, they see it, bro. Stop putting it close to the camera like that.
You should put it, dapat unti-unti lang.
Yeah, that's what they did, bro. This too small. Too small.
This is too hard.
Yeah,
I think
you.
mine will be the softest of them.
Cause you need to put lotion, but we're not gonna put lotion because it's just a waste. I guess we just need to put. It works if you add a little bit of glue. See, it turns stretchier. See. Damn, it's too.
Guys, use uy! Kisha, wag mo lagyan ng ano sa'yo. Kasi
Yeah.
clear slime ka eh.
I want to make it white.
That's okay. That's okay.
Hindi ganun yun.
Okay, it's turning. Okay, now we're done. Bro, magic liquid. We can use borax to make magic liquid, but how is yours stretchy?
May borax kayo?
No, we don't have borax. Nobody has borax. Except,
Do you have clay?
yeah, but we need to put it in
Don't
the
put
ref.
too much.
Because it's gonna turn into ugly slime, not butter slime. I want
No,
to.
mine's stretchier.
Yeah, but I'm gonna.
Mine's
Wait for mine.
No, mine's the stretchiest, see? Yeah.
Oh mine. Look at mine.
Oh no, it's sticky na. No. Okay, what happened to yours?
It's because I'm not doing it
You need to mix it for it to
Yeah.
get your body heat. How is it?
Body.
Body heat. Damn, it stinks. Ang pang-
Can I use this one?
Huwag na muna mag-color is.
It's glitter.
Ate,
Dito, I accidentally add so much. Binaswimming yan kay Ate Kim.
Kisha!
You can use that.
Nag-aaksaya ka. Nag-aaksaya ka. English ka pa ng English.
Pwede naman ito gamitin sa'yo eh.
Ha?
Ate,
can
ito
add-
din yung mo.
Ayoko. Ayoko magganyan kasi nga ang gagawin ko is, di pa nakagawa ng ano eh, real, slime using
Activator.
the
You
white.
never make slime with glue?
I mean with the white glue kasi dati pulok this time.
Oh
I'm tired.
I use like super glicky slime.
You should tipid
Tipid. Oh. Huh?
Girl, look at mine. It's so cute, right?
How is mine not stretchy and hers is super stretchy? I'm not in.
Ate, mama's calling you.
Pa! Pa!
She just say your name, say Kaiden, and nothing na. Do you know I'm gonna post this on YouTube? Yeah, these videos get 1 million subscribers and stuff. But you want me to get 8 subscribers?
Bakit?
You're not about shoes. Sometimes it's funny. Like, Kaiden, bakit na? Kaiden, tawag ka. Girl, guys, did you see that? Okay, comment down below what
We're gonna use this one.
Stop!
This is the key to make it stretchy.
Oh yeah, give me that.
Wait.
Uwi ako ng bahay.
Why are you going home?
Gonna get our ulam in my mom's car.
In my mom's
Look,
car.
look.
She made a smiley face of it on the vlog. Oh, it's crying.
Uy, wag niyo lagyan ng... Keisha, sabi niyo wag mag-aksaya eh.
She told me it was the key to make it stretchy, so I'm gonna add it.
It is the key.
Uy, it's not.
It is.
Just add activator.
No, activator.
Adding activator will make it hard.
Yeah, if you.
No, pero if you put the right amount,
Yeah, I
you
put it the
can
right
make it
amount.
stretchy without putting any
There's
more
no
glue.
such thing as putted. It's always put.
Putting or feet. Wow! Damn, mine's the
Hindi
stretchy.
kayo overactivate.
Can I go KitKat over here?
Oy, ito lang muna gagamitin nyo ha. Sabi ko huwag mag-aksaya eh.
Oh my lord, Ate
Sorry,
Karen.
I overactivate. Siya, favor.
Yeah? Who coach? Bigay mo kay Hala. Guys! Okay, Ate Karen. Ate Kisha's making Kit jealous. Kiss. I'm gonna add a little bit of white slime. Damn, he has sunglasses. Boo has sunglasses. Now he's crying. Okay, Kit Kat's now almost gonna cry. Bro, you made Kit Kat jealous.
Jealous.
She doesn't care. She's just a no soybean. Oh my god.
Look at Ate Kai's.
Oh my god. Thank you.
I want to put lotion in this one.
No, bro, ang ganda lang sa kanya. Oh, look. Mine turned into navy blue. How did it add color? It just added color.
Siya may lotion sa bahay, diba?
Thank you, glitter.
Oh my god, I did the right thing.
Oh, sheesh.
O paano ganyan-ganyan. Huwag mo lagdagan ng glue yan na. Yan na yung sayo,
Yes.
Mag-aksaya.
Guys, stop fighting in front of the camera, you know?
Lola. La.
She doesn't know what it is. She knows it's slime, but she doesn't know how.
It tastes bad.
Taste.
Pag na-over
Bro,
deactivate,
she tasted. She said it tastes bad.
Yep.
Yeah, she
Pag
told-
na-over-activate niyo siya, matutunaw ulit.
No, so if you...
It could be hard.
Ate Kay, look what
Or-
I made. Ate Kay, made sales texture
Ah.
as you.
Nasa yung pinakuha daw sa'yo?
Bro, you forgot.
Ano lang.
Kaya natusang ka raw card.
Kukunin ko na lang.
Oh my god, it turned into navy blue. So I'm a steal. Girly Pop doesn't even know. Huh? Ate Keisha! Look at the Hey guys, I'm back. Peace. Okay, we're not yet done. Okay, I'm gonna try to do something. Tomorrow. Sorry guys, I cannot film. I cannot make like a butter one. So tomorrow I'm gonna make a butter video. But I think they're gonna join or not. Hey, stop! You bad. Add more glue. Bro, stop. It's so sticky. Sticky. I mean sticky. Okay, now I'm just gonna Bro, Ate Keisha left immediately, bro.
I think we really need to put some lotion dito.
Get closer. Ate Kai, come closer na. See? It's a little bit sticky, but it's perfect consistency. Yes. I keep watching Peachy Babies. You know that video. I know Aaron. I know Christian. I don't know na. But I watched it. Aaron Slay. They keep making the weirdest slimes ever. Sometimes they're pretty slime, and Aaron just made blueberry
I think you need to
slime.
stretch it ng ilang times
Yeah,
para makuha yung focus.
Yeah, that's what they do. Cause they keep mixing it until it
No, you have to do
Yeah,
so.
they have a mixer, but we are not rich. Ate, can you move a little? They don't see your slime in the video.
Sorry, this is my slime.
It's just right. It's okay. Don't.
I think
mind
it's
it.
good. It's a good thing that it's white kasi I can put some color.
Ah, damn.
Should I add some glue to make it more bigger?
No, don't. Ate, can you help? It's thick. Bro, help me.
You should add.
No, she's lying.
Ba't siya mo nakagawa?
It's the same.
O, lumayas na kayo. Asan yung nagawa mo, anak?
Here.
Akin to, Max.
O, enough na. Tago mo na muna yung
Ang galing. First time ko lang makakita ng activator na totoo.
magkakainan na, anak.
Oh.
Nagluwa sa bahay, pakihin ko niya. Magamit ang activator, Max.
Yeah. What?
Activator.
No, tomorrow na. Ma, get the stuff here, ma. Even this and this. Bro, Kika tried to add, she added alcohol to her slime.
Ba't ang ganda nung kay Kisha? Ganda kasi ito.
Bakit na?
Maganda yung pagkakagawa. Nakita ko.
See, look at mine.
Ang ganda na
this, Ate Keisha?
Huh?
Ate Keisha, can I have this?
Oh, you really mean it?
Okay guys, thank you for watching. Tomorrow, I'm gonna make a butter slime with my ates, I guess, or no. I don't know. Comment down below yes or no. Bye!